All right, gentlemen, let's get real for a second. If your mornings don't feel like they used to, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's time for a simple upgrade. You're already drinking coffee every morning, right? Well, what if that same cup could do a lot more than just wake you up? What if it could actually help restore blood flow, boost stamina, and yes, bring back those morning moments that used to come naturally? I'm Dr. Mia Carter, board-certified urologist, and for over a decade, I've helped thousands of men reclaim their vitality. Not with pills, but with simple, science-backed nutrition changes. And today, I'll show you how to turn your regular coffee into a performance-enhancing drink, using natural ingredients that cost less than a single espresso shot. Let's dive in. The real problem. Most men don't see coming. See, plain coffee gives you that quick rush. Caffeine hits, your heart races, and then crash. You grab another cup by mid-morning and the cycle continues. But what's really happening inside your body is more serious. As you age, your testosterone levels drop, your blood vessels stiffen, and your circulation weakens, especially in those smaller vessels that matter most for male performance. So, while caffeine boosts alertness, it does nothing for the real issue: poor nitric oxide production and weak vascular flexibility. That's why I tell my patients, you don't need to quit coffee, you just need to upgrade it. Think of it as turning your regular fuel into premium grade. Ingredient number 1, Ceylon Cinnamon, the natural vessel opener. Let's start with something simple you already have, cinnamon. But not the regular cheap kind. Use Ceylon Cinnamon, also called true cinnamon. Just a quarter teaspoon in your coffee does wonders. Research shows cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar, reducing spikes by up to 25 to 30%. That's crucial because unstable blood sugar damages those micro blood vessels that feed your vital organs, including your penis. When sugar levels swing wildly, it causes something called glycation, which literally stiffens arteries. Cinnamon reverses that by improving insulin sensitivity and promoting smooth blood flow. It also contains cinnamaldehyde, a compound proven to trigger nitric oxide release, the same molecule Viagra targets. So, instead of forcing blood flow artificially, cinnamon teaches your body to do it naturally. Bonus? It tastes great. One of my patients, 59 years old, started adding cinnamon every morning. Within 3 weeks, he reported steadier energy, no more caffeine crash, and let's just say, his mornings got more interesting again. Ingredient number 2, cocoa powder, nature's nitric oxide booster. Next, add real unsweetened cocoa powder. Not chocolate mix, not syrup, just pure cocoa. Cocoa is packed with flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that improve arterial flexibility and boost nitric oxide levels. One clinical study from the Journal of Hypertension showed that men who drank cocoa daily improved blood flow by over 30%, comparable to some medications. Why? Because cocoa relaxes blood vessels and improves oxygen delivery. And here's something fascinating. Cocoa contains anandamide, also called the bliss molecule. It's the same compound your brain releases when you're in love. That means better mood, lower stress, and higher desire, a combination that fuels confidence in every sense. Add 1 teaspoon to your morning coffee, it'll taste like a rich mocha, minus the sugar crash. Ingredient number 3, Maca root powder, the hormone balancer. Now let's talk about something special. Maca, a root from the Andes Mountains. Peruvians have used it for over 2,000 years as a natural stamina enhancer. Unlike synthetic boosters, maca doesn't spike hormones. It helps your body regulate its own. It nourishes your pituitary gland and hypothalamus, the control centers for testosterone production. Studies show that just 2 to 3 grams daily, about a teaspoon, can significantly improve libido, mood, and even sperm quality within 8 to 12 weeks. And it's not a stimulant, it's an adaptogen. That means it helps your body manage stress and fatigue, keeping energy balanced instead of burning out. Flavor-wise, it's nutty, smooth, almost like malt. Start with yellow maca. It's mild and great for daily use. Ingredient number 4, coconut oil, fuel for hormone production. Now this one might sound strange, coconut oil in coffee, but trust me, when blended, it turns into a creamy latte that actually supports testosterone production. Here's why. Your body needs healthy fats to make hormones. Coconut oil is full of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, fast-burning fats that boost metabolism and energy. Studies show MCTs can raise testosterone by up to 20%, improve thyroid health, and stabilize blood sugar. They also slow caffeine absorption, giving you steady focus instead of that 10 a.m. crash. Just start with half a teaspoon, blend it for 30 seconds, and you'll be amazed at the creamy texture. You'll feel full longer, sharper mentally, and more active throughout the day. Ingredient number 5. Fresh ginger, the circulation catalyst. Finally, ginger. It's been used in traditional medicine for 5,000 years for a reason. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory that increases testosterone and improves blood vessel function. One study found that men who consumed ginger daily saw a 17% increase in testosterone after 3 months. It also enhances luteinizing hormone, which signals your testicles to produce more testosterone naturally. Ginger also improves circulation, which means better oxygen flow to every part of your body. Start with a small slice of fresh ginger or 1/4 teaspoon of powder in your coffee. It adds a subtle warmth that wakes you up, inside and out. How to start practically. Now don't overcomplicate this. You don't need to turn your kitchen into a chemistry lab. Start simple. Week 1, add cinnamon. Week 2, keep cinnamon, add cocoa. Week 3, introduce maca. Week 4, try coconut oil or ginger. Take notes. Notice your energy, mood, drive, and focus. By week 4, most men feel more alert, confident, and, let's say, ready. If you want a quick mix, combine cinnamon, cocoa, and maca into a single jar. 1 scoop a day. That's your power coffee. Gentlemen, decline is not inevitable. Your body still has incredible potential. It just needs the right fuel. You don't need fancy supplements or expensive treatments, just smarter choices in your daily routine. And your coffee is the perfect place to start. So, tomorrow morning, when you pour that cup, remember, you're not just waking up your mind, you're waking up your entire system. If this helped you, hit subscribe, share it with a friend who needs to hear this, and drop a comment on what you're adding to your coffee. Sometimes the smallest change can reignite everything. Stay strong, stay sharp. This is Dr. Mia Carter, reminding you that real health starts with small, consistent choices.